Before we move on to mentioning the virtues of fasting other months, I forgot to mention to you when making up fastings of missed days of Ramadan. When people delay making up fastings of missed days of Ramadan, what happens if they die? Scholars say, number one, if they die without having the chance to make them up, there's no sin on them. And there's no need to expiate or do anything because they have not done anything sinful. So they fell sick in Ramadan and they died a couple of months later without having the chance to make them up. There's nothing on them. Option two, they recover after the month of Ramadan and they had time to make them up, but they didn't. They were lazy. In this case, it is recommended that their heirs, the children, the wife, the siblings, if possible, would share among them these missed days, and each of them would fast a day or more, or the whole thing, on behalf of their beloved deceased. And that would be the right thing to do in order for them not to be held accountable for that, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. What about other days that are highly recommended to fast? There are days that are highly recommended to fast on weekly basis, such as Mondays and Thursdays. The Prophet ﷺ used to always fast Mondays and Thursdays. For Mondays, he said, this is a day I was revealed to in it, and I was born in it. Two reasons. That's why he loves to fast it. As for Thursday, the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, that on Mondays and Thursdays, the deeds are displayed and brought forward to Allah Azza wa Jal. So I would love to see my deeds displayed to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala while being fasting. Among the monthly recommended voluntary days is to fast 3 days of every month. And the best of these 3 days are known as the white days, the 13th, the 14th, and the 15th of every Hijri year, of every Hijri month. And this means that if one deed is multiplied by 10, if you fast 3 days a month, multiplied by 10, as if you fasted the whole month, which means as if you fasted the whole year. Likewise, fasting the first 9 days of the month of the Hijjah, and this happens once a year. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, that there are no days that are good deeds, are more beloved to Allah than these 10 days. And also, some of the Prophet's wives stated that the Prophet ﷺ used to continuously fast the 9 days of Dhul Hijjah. So these days are the best days of the whole year, and one should try his level best to fast them. Fasting in the month of Allah Muharram, as we've mentioned earlier. Also, fasting of the month of Sha'ban. And this is not mentioned in your textbook, because the Prophet ﷺ used to fast almost all of Sha'ban. And when he was asked, why do you fast Sha'ban? He said, it's a month that a lot of people are oblivious of. It falls between the month, the sacred month of Rajab, and the month of Ramadan. So I'd love to fast it. So this is also something that is recommended. And among the recommended means of fasting is to fast a day and skip a day. And this is, as described by the Prophet ﷺ, the best type of fasting, and it's the fasting of Prophet Dawood. Question: is it permissible for someone who fasts a voluntary day to skip it? The answer is yes. It's not like a fard fasting or an obligatory fasting. If you start to fast the day of Ramadan, you must not skip it without a legitimate reason. Likewise, when you make up for a day of Ramadan. Likewise, when you start to fast a day that you have vowed or a day of expiation, you cannot simply come in the middle of the day and say, listen, I'm invited for lunch, I'm gonna skip this day. No, you're obliged to continue till the end. And if you don't, you're sinful. On the other hand, voluntary fasts are different. You have the full right to skip it if you wish, because the Prophet ﷺ used to start his day fasting, voluntary fasts, like Mondays or Thursdays, and then he comes to his home, and if his wife says to him, we've been gifted some food, he would say, okay, I was fasting, but bring the food, I'll eat it. Which means that a person who fasts voluntary fasting has all the right to skip it if he wishes, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.